Do you know how some YouTube channels are uploading 20 to 30-minute videos every single day? Not just one channel, but dozens, and pulling millions of views every single week? If you think it's just hard work, grinding, or having a big team, you're wrong. What's actually happening is much simpler, and way more dangerous if you're on the outside. These creators are using automated systems that generate hundreds of images and videos in bulk, turning long-form content into an assembly line, not a creative struggle. This isn't theory, it's already running quietly in the background. Most people believe AI automation is expensive, complicated, or limited. That belief ends today. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how some creators are publishing hundreds of AI-powered videos while everyone else keeps paying for premium tools. And pay attention, not just to the tools, but to how the entire system is structured, because once you understand the structure, you can apply it to almost any niche: storytelling, education, finance, or fully faceless channels. So if you want scale without wasting hours, and growth without artificial limits, watch till the end, because once you see this workflow, you won't look at AI automation the same way again. Normally, the way most people create AI videos is simple, but painful. They go to Auto Whisk, write a prompt, generate one image, then repeat that process again and again. Creating one image doesn't take much time, but multiply that by 30 images. And suddenly, that's not automation, that's slavery. Now, let me show you how to automate everything. First, open a new tab and search for Auto Whisk extension. Click the first result, then click Add to Chrome, and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once it is installed, just hit on Open tab, then click this language setting and set it to English. Now, go to Auto Whisk and open it. Click this button to open the Auto Whisk extension. From here, select version 751, Classic. You'll see a section that says one prompt per line. This is where the magic happens. You simply write one prompt on one line, another prompt on the next line. When you click Start, Auto Whisk generates everything automatically. For example, I'll paste 3 prompts here in sequence, then I select Create New Project. Creating a new project ensures everything stays clean and organized. As you can see, Auto Whisk starts generating all the images on its own. It even auto-downloads them. If you don't want auto-download, go to Settings and uncheck Auto-Download. Now the images will stay inside the project. Here's the problem though. Writing each prompt manually still takes time. So instead, go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You only need to describe what kind of video you want, then hit Enter. This prompt is specially designed for Auto Whisk. As you can see, ChatGPT first generates the character designs for the story. Then it generates the image prompts in the exact sequence Auto Whisk needs. Let's start by generating the first character. I copy the character description and paste it here. Then I select an image ratio and add a style, like ghibli anime style. Once I'm satisfied, I repeat the same process for the second and third characters. Then, click on the Add Image button. Drag all the characters into the subject area. This is how you create consistent characters across your entire video. Now you can also define the style of the video. For example, I'll write ghibli anime style. You can include scene details too, but I'll skip that for now. Once the characters are ready, you're ready to generate images. Go back to ChatGPT, copy all the image prompts and paste them here. Click Start, then select Current Project. Within minutes, all your images are generated. Now, the best thing about this image generator is that not only it helps to generate bulk images at once, it also generates high-quality images. I mean, just look at these images. Its quality far surpasses most of the paid AI image generator tools that exist now. Now that we have generated all images, now it's time for AI image to video. And there are 2 best ways that you can create AI videos from images, and I'm going to show you both ways. So, you can decide which one to use. The first one is similar to Auto Whisk. You can put all your images and prompts at once and generate all videos fully automated in bulk. However, the second method can't generate in bulk, but for now I will say that it is better than first method. So, let's start with first one. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste this next prompt. This prompt converts every image into image-to-video prompts. Next, open a new tab and search for Meta AI, then Auto Meta extension. Install it the same way as before. After installation, log into Meta AI using your Facebook account. Once inside, click Create, then select Auto Meta extension. This works similarly to Auto Whisk, but for image to video. Click Select Multiple Images and select all your images. Don't worry about the order. Now click A to Z, then select Oldest. This automatically arranges your images from oldest to newest. Next, paste the image to video prompts from ChatGPT and click Start. Within minutes, all your images turn into videos. Now there's one problem though. The quality of videos generated from Meta AI is extremely low. As you can see, when I just watch the video in small pixel, its quality seems decent, but when I maximize the video, the quality looks like 720p. So here's a better free alternative. Go to Grok, click on the Image tab, and first turn off Auto Video Generation in the settings. Now upload your images one by one, paste their prompts, hit Generate. After the video is ready, go to this tab and click Upscale. The quality increases significantly. Repeat this for the remaining images, and you're done. This is the kind of result you can generate using completely free AI tools. This is just one automation. Going forward, I'll be breaking down many more AI-powered workflows like this, along with tools and techniques to create high-quality cinematic videos for specific goals and use cases. If you want to stay ahead while everyone else is still doing things manually, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.